Stay in control of your money by learning how to quickly approve important requests right from your Natwest app. First things first, open your Natwest app on your smartphone. You'll be greeted by the familiar login screen. Go ahead and log in securely using your preferred method while you're whether that's Face ID, Touch ID, or your PIN. Once you're logged in, take a look at your app's home screen. You might see a notification or a dedicated section for pending requests or approvals. Often, you'll receive a push notification directly on your phone as soon as a request needs your attention. Tap on this notification or look for a prompt within the app itself. On the approvals screen, carefully review all the details of the request. This is crucial for security. Make sure you recognize the transaction, the amount, and where it's going. If everything looks correct and you're happy to proceed, you'll find a prominent button, usually labeled Approve or Confirm. Tap on this button to authorize the action. You'll then see a confirmation message letting you know your approval was successful. That's it. Your transaction or action is now completed. Remember, approving requests is your key to keeping your account secure and ensuring you're always in a loop with your finances. Stay safe and always review before you approve.